Hey friends, I'm excited to welcome you to week 7 of our course. We've spent a lot of time in the beginning of our time together unpacking the history of social studies education, what the main focus areas have been, who the main characters are, and why those pieces matter as we think about history education today, social studies education today. We are now entering section 2 of our course, which I'm excited about because we're going to get to take a lot of the concepts we've discussed and we're going to be able to apply them. We're now going to move throughout the disciplines within social studies education and think strategically about our instructional methods, our strategies in the classroom, student engagement, assessment, and how we think about using aligned curriculum instruction assessments to teach a discipline in a rigorous way that supports all students. And so we're going to go ahead and apply that. We're going to start with the history classroom. And as we do so, we're going to think about how we apply historical thinking skills, which we've discussed in depth so far, and thinking about the 5 C's of historical thinking, context, complexity, causality, change over time, and contingency, and how to think about these skills and this framework in a way that we engage students far beyond names and dates and the historical concepts. And we move into a truly inquiry-based history classroom that enables students to think critically about a text and question and ask why something was said and why it was said in that manner because of who the audience was. And all of these questions are incredibly impactful on our students both today and in the future when we think about their civic engagement and we think about the goals we have for the students in our K through 12 social studies classrooms. And so it's a great passion and exciting time to be talking about history education. And so that's what we're going to dive into together in week 7 as we move throughout this course. Just a reminder, also at the beginning of the week, we have at the coming up, your week 7 discussion board will be due alongside your cultural biography papers, which I can't wait to read and hear about some of the interviews that you conducted and some of your findings and really just hearing your own voice in responding to the needs of our students across classrooms and contexts. And so excited to jump into the dialogue this week that we have when we jump into history classrooms together and thinking about how we take our standards and we teach them in a way that opens them up to our students in a way to bring a foundation of historical thinking and true inquiry into our classrooms. Excited to talk to you soon. We will see you Tuesday and we'll talk more.